market is on life support, and I've been asking myself, why no crash more? When you look at the data, things should be so much worse. But you aren't trading in a free market anymore. You're trading in Hawkins, Indiana.
Hawkins will burn and fall.
Right now, the S&P 500 is entirely dominated by 0 days to expiration options. Millions of short-term lottery tickets are traded daily, but the market makers selling you these contracts aren't gambling. They are Hawkins National Lab. They are the scientists running a massive synthetic containment grid to keep the market stable. The bull market is Hawkins, pristine on the surface, but underneath, the options dealers are doing everything in their mathematical power to keep the portal closed.
Okay, I opened it.
To stay neutral, dealers are forced to delta hedge. When they are in a state called long gamma, the math dictates a robotic behavior. If the market drops on bad news like a terrible GDP print, the dealers are mathematically forced to buy the underlying stock to balance their books. They are the ultimate dip buyers, not because they are bullish, but because their algorithm demands it to maintain the containment grid. This creates the gamma cage. It pins the S&P 500 in a suffocatingly tight range, masking the structural decay of the economy. But the macro environment, war, structural inflation, supply chain collapse, high-priced oil, that is Vecna. Vecna doesn't care about the options market's containment grid. He applies brute physical force. He is the kinetic shock. When Vecna pushes the S&P 500 down past the dealer's protective strike prices, the grid shatters, the math flips into short gamma. Suddenly, the dealers are forced to stop buying and start selling into a falling market to save themselves. The gate opens. The upside down bleeds into Hawkins.
It is over.
The financial media wants you happily living in Hawkins, providing liquidity to the lab. Don't trade the simulation.
Call him
Trade the
Vecna.
physics.
Let's burn that lab to the ground.
While the broader market is trapped in the gamma cage, institutional capital is quietly rotating into the physical economy. Stop playing their game. Like and subscribe for future educational content. This video is for entertainment purposes only, and we hope that you were entertained.